Welcome to the RCBC Library. There are times that you will need to access the library database when you're off campus. To do this, you will need to log in with your library barcode and PIN number. Your library barcode is the 14-digit barcode on the back of your student ID. If you don't have a student ID, you can get one from Public Safety located on the first floor of the Student Success Center or in Evans Hall. Once you get your ID, you'll need to activate the 14-digit barcode on the back. To activate it, you can visit the library on the second floor of the Student Success Center or fill out the form on the RCBC Library webpage. Your PIN number is the last 4 digits of your phone number. This is the phone number you put down as your primary phone number when applying to RCBC. If you are a distance learning only student, you can request a temporary barcode that is valid for 60 days. You can find the form under Distance Learning Only Students located on the library webpage. Click the link to fill out the form. Let's try to log in now. On the library campus database page, click onto the first database that's at the top of the list, Academic Search Premier, EBSCOhost. Since you are off campus, you will be taken to a white screen with the RCBC logo and a prompt for your barcode and your PIN, which is the last 4 digits of your phone number. If you put this information in successfully, you will be taken to a white, green, and blue screen that says EBSCOhost in the top left corner. If you put in your information and you're given an error message or any other warning, you will need to update your account information. It's a very short process. You can visit the library on the second floor of the Student Success Center or fill out the form on the RCBC Library webpage. Remember, we're always here to help.